start, go. No, go.
Max,
Max!
I'm pushing.
No.
You're jumping there by yourself. He's already done it.
Maxie.
I don't think he wants
Where
to.
there? Where there? Max, come here. Give him to me.
No, go, go.
Maxie, what's this? What's this? What's this? Let him go. Let him go. He's gonna go. Oh, he's gonna go.
Alright.
Come on, boy. Start here, look. From here. Let him drop from here. He just got away. I think we should take him home.
No. We'll wait for him to dry.
Let him go. Let him go.
What's that?
He got drowned.
I think he knows what's there.
Could just push him.
No, we ain't going down there. Come on.
Right, find a good spot.
Right here.
Get him. Come on, look, it's water. Look, go on.
Yes. No, don't push him.
Go.
No, don't push him. You're jumping there by yourself.
Come on, it's fresh water for you to drink. Go.
It's not fresh, is it? He knows what's there.
I know. That one was funny though. Should have recorded it that time. Okay, I think I should finish it.